Here I have makeup on one side of my face and left the other side to finish to show you some of my favorite makeup and products to combat a lot of redness and dry aging skin. I start off with Cetaphil Moisture Cream. It's super moisturizing and it doesn't irritate my skin. I apply a small amount all over my face and my neck. Next, I'm using a combination of IT Cosmetics CC paired with my favorite serum. IT Cosmetics does an amazing job covering my redness, and the serum makes it dewier. I also love that it's cruelty-free. I apply this using a brush covering my face and my neck. Just look how dewy that is. Next are my brows. My brows are blonde and super thin, so they need a lot of work. I'm using the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the color Taupe. Fill, fill, fill. Now for a lift. I'm using the Nars Cheek Studio palette and applying very high up on my cheekbones. As we age and lose volume, we want the appearance of a lifted face. Applying blush high on the cheekbone will help with this. I'm also going to apply a tad bit of highlighter. Another thing that comes with age is a drooping mouth. Using my e.l.f. brow pencil, I apply a small line upwards from the corners of my mouth. Make sure to blend it well. I'm finishing lips off with IT Cosmetics Vitality Lip Flush. It's so moisturizing. And for lashes, curling for me is a must and it adds so much more length. My all-time favorite mascara in the world is L'Oreal Voluminous. I've been using mini brands and I always come back to this one. I like to apply several layers to the top and the bottom lashes. And now the look is complete. Just remember, if you're over 40, less is more.